Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best fast coffee maker you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many fast coffee maker and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each fast coffee maker so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a fast coffee maker. Speed is the first factor because a fast brewing time matters for busy mornings. Look for machines that can brew a full cup in under 5 minutes. Capacity is also important as you should choose one that fits your daily coffee needs. Some models are great for single servings while others handle multiple cups. Convenience features like programmable timers, auto shut-off, and easy cleaning options can make a big difference. The coffee maker's build quality and durability should be checked to ensure long-term use. Don't forget to consider energy efficiency and noise level, especially if you make coffee early in the morning. Finally, compare prices and warranty options for added peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful reviews.